A glowing, magnificent pumpkin carriage sat on the grass. Cinderella, dazzling in a pristine, magical gown, was all set to go to the prince's ball. Suddenly the craftsman rushed forward, waving his clipboard frantically.
Hold your horses! We have a major design-critical anomaly.
Oh, details, details. The prince's ball started 10 minutes ago. Get in the pumpkin, dear.
Did you see the weather report? It poured last night. The roads are a soup of mud. Look at these wheels. There's no mud guards. I didn't have time to install the fenders because you rushed production.
Mud? On silk? Godmother, if a single drop of sludge touches this dress, the magic will wear off early from sheer embarrassment.
Driver, you're just going to have to drive slowly to avoid throwing up any mud splashes.
Slowly? Lady, I've got 4 white mice up front who only know how to gallop. Give me a number. What is the maximum speed?